Hi, today I will be showing how to make this beautiful stitch. It is absolutely gorgeous and really nice if you used to make a blanket or a scarf or anything like that. It's absolutely beautiful. So let's get started. I'm using a 4mm hook and a 4mm yarn. So to get started, to make your slip knot, you can do this however you want to. Then we're going to make a foundation chain. I'm just making a little sample, so I'll be doing 24 chains. You can do it as many as you want to your desired width. So what you do is yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So that's your 2, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. 4, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's your 6. So continue doing this until you reach your desired width. So that's my 24 chains. And this pattern is multiple of 2s. So I'm going to do chain 1 from a turning point, chain 1. And your first row starts from here where you're going to be doing double crochet, and this is the UK term. In the US term it's the single crochet, so you're going to do double crochet in all of the chains. So you skip the first chain, go into the next one, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's your first double crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now continue doing this until you reach the end. So here I have reached the end. Now to make sure you've got the correct amount of stitches, just make sure and count them again. So I'm just going to count 24 here. If I don't, then obviously I've done something wrong. 4, perfect. So the second row starts from here. I'm going to chain 2, turn your work. Now this chain 2 is classed as your first triple crochet. In the US term it's double crochet, but because we're doing the UK terms it's triple. So chain 2, you're gonna skip the base. You're not going to use that because you've already got the 2 chains as a triple crochet. So you're going to do your next triple crochet in this one. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And continue doing this all till the end. You've reached the end. So you're going to place your last triple in the V. You can see here. So like that. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's that done. Now we're going to do the third row. So yarn over, chain 1, turn your work, and we're going to do double crochet in all of these stitches. Chain 1 does not class as double crochet, so we're going to create a double crochet by inserting the yarn in the base of the chain. Inserting your hook in the base of the chain. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yep, like that. I'll continue doing that. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So yeah, that's your double crochet. And to make sure if you've got the correct amount, you should have the stitches that you started off with. So I should have 24 here. So 1, 2, 3, 21, 22, 23, 24, which is perfect. So going to start the row 4. This is where the pattern starts. So we're going to do chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work. This is your first triple crochet. Skip the base of the triple crochet. I'm going to skip that, and we'll be working here in the next one. So how this pattern works is we'll be doing a triple crochet in the front post of this triple crochet. So what you do is you yarn over, go behind this stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now the stitch behind it, you're going to ignore that, and you're going to do a triple crochet on top of the next triple crochet of your previous row. So we're going to do a triple crochet on top of that. And the next one we'll be doing front post triple crochet. So yarn over, go behind that, yarn over, pull up a loop, stretch the yarn up so it's the length of the triple crochet, your previous one, like so. So they're all the same length. Yarn over, miss the stitch behind the one that you've just done, and then do a triple on top of the next one. Yarn over, behind the post, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Ignore the stitch behind it. Do a triple on top of this post. Now continue doing this all the way till the end. So here we have reached the end. So on top of this, we would do a triple crochet, and then this is the two chains from the previous row. So that's the top of that, 2 bees. Going to do our triple crochet into that. So it's all in line. So that's your row 4 complete. We'll be doing row 5, chain 1, turn your work, create your double crochet in the base of your chain 1 that you've just done, double crochet, and do all double crochets all the way along. So here I've reached the end. Going to do a double crochet on top of this one, and then this is the last one. Going to do a double crochet in this, like that. So we're going to move on to the 6th row, chain 2, turn your work. This is your first triple crochet. Gonna skip the base, move on to the next one, and now here is the front post that we done in the previous row. So we're going to do a triple just on top of that. Do your triple crochet. Next one, you'll be doing the front post triple crochet, yarn over, go behind, yarn over, pull up a loop. You need to pull the loop up a bit, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, so you get the correct length. Skip the stitch behind it, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're going to do another front post, the next one, yarn over, go behind the post, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Skip the stitch behind it, move on to the next one, do a triple crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So again, I'm going to do a front post triple, yarn over, behind, yarn over, pull through, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So continue doing this till the end. I shall meet you at the end of the row. So here we've reached the end. This is the last 2 stitches left. So that's the front post that we done in the previous row. So we're going to do front post triple, the second last one, and end your row with a normal triple crochet. So that is how it turns out. Absolutely love this stitch. So basically that is all you do, and it rips up quite fast. Not too slow, not too fast, it's okay. But yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. Like this. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you enjoy making the blanket. If you want to learn how to change color like I've done it here. I've used Russian knot to change the colour. It's quite tricky. If you would like to know how to do it, then you can watch my video. I'll put it in the link below so you can have a look how it's done. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.